everyone, and welcome back to Nicole's Yard. Today, we're going to be washing all the blankets, doing some laundry, taking down the Christmas tree and decor, clean for the new year, and prep some food for the week. I hope this video can motivate you to take down your Christmas decor, or just to do any other task that you've been putting off. If you like these kinds of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe. Usually, during the last week of December, before the new year, I always like to take the Christmas tree down and give the house a nice clean for the new year. Let me know in the comments below, when do you take your Christmas tree down or your holiday decor? I have a system for packing away the Christmas decoration, as the following year it will be easier for me to find things in certain bins. For the specialty ornaments, I always like to wrap them in bubble wrap and put them in their own bin. A lot of the specialty ornaments that we have were given to us as gifts from friends and family. In my last video, I spoke about the power of meditation and what it has done for me. Today, we're going to talk about visualization and how it can help you. A while back, I had gone to school for travel and tourism, and I wanted to work at the Flight Center, which is a travel agency. I went for an interview and I didn't get the job, which was very disappointing. However, I did not give up. The following year, I went for a second interview and I didn't get the job. And I was wondering, why am I not being hired? At the time, I wanted to get out of the restaurant and bar industry, and I was putting a lot of pressure on myself. Around the same time, I had discovered Esther Hicks. In one of her videos, she talked about when you want something, you have to visualize it and pretend that it's already happened. This sounded very weird to me. However, I was like, I'm going to try it. So every morning for a few months before the next round of interviews at the Flight Center, I woke up and before I went to work, I would picture myself working at the Flight Center. I had gone out and gotten a similar dress shirt like they wear as uniforms. I got dressed, I sat at my dining room table, and I visualized myself working there. Visualized myself booking flights, arranging packages for clients, picking up the phone, and laughing with colleagues. I did whatever I could for me to have the feeling of me working there. I would go to several different Flight Center locations and stare in the window. I would go inside and talk to the people that work there so I can mentally put myself being there. I did this for months. Then I started to prep for my interview, and then the day came, I got the interview, and then I got the job. I was blown away. It actually works. Over the years, I realized that when I want something, I have to pretend that I already have it or it's already happened. I cannot come from a place of lack because the universe is not going to give me what I want if I keep asking for it. Once I put my mind to something I want or desire, I focus on the feeling of having it, and then it shows up. Of course, some things are easier than others. Some things comes faster than others. This is a work in progress, and it takes time and practice. If you want something, try meditation and visualization and see what the universe blesses you with. Underneath, the kitchen sink is always dirty. I keep putting it off, but today we're getting her done. I'm going to be prepping for the week. I'm going to be cutting up some lemon, some ginger, using SKelly Bee Honey. I got my Tupperwares here. We're going to be cutting up some pears, cantaloupe, watermelon, and cucumber. I only cook once a week, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We love the grab and go. When we come home from work, we don't want to be cooking or prepping for the next day. I noticed that if I don't cut up the fruits and vegetables, they go bad. It is flu season, so every year I like to prepare lemon, ginger, and SKelly Bee Honey in this jar and put it in the fridge. We always have it for tea in the morning. It's a great natural remedy. Thank you for watching. If you like these kinds of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you later.